What's going on, y'all? It's Carolina Shore Fishing back out here with you, and I'm out on a creek on the kayak. I have been super stoked to get out and do this video for you guys. I'm hoping to get my Elias V fishing on, hit some docks, catch some sheepshead. That's the main priority for today, is to catch my first sheepshead, because I've never caught a sheepshead. We'll get it figured out. I'm not leaving until we catch a fish, and especially a sheepshead. So stay tuned. Here I've got 30-pound braid to a 40-pound fluorocarbon leader and a Hudson tackle sweeper jig. Got those at the Merle's Inlet Outpost. You can go see Ned and Luke there. But I'm excited. Dude, that's a good sign. I've gotten a few bites, but nah, it's my third time trying for sheepshead. Oh yeah, luckily out here everybody's been real nice. Oh, you have a YouTube? Yeah.
I mean, I just want to fish, ma'am.
Oh no, hell, you can't fish. You don't know how to fish. You don't even wear the right kind of clothes.
This is the only spot I've
Oh, really?
Yeah. I've only targeted them a handful of times myself.
Yeah. Yeah, I hear the bite's like finicky and whatnot, but we'll see.
Good luck, man.
Appreciate it. You guys too. What was that? Fish on. Fish on, guys. It's a nice sheep. It's a nice sheep. No. Oh no. He went back in for the docks. We'll get him out. We'll play him slow. Yeah, we got him out. We got him out. No. Broke the rod on him, but I landed him for a sheep's head. Let's go. And that's why I bring extra rods with me. Here she is, guys, about 18 inches. Hangs a little bit off the cooler there. Real beautiful fish. Got crazy teeth. Nice. Came off the hook there. There we go. Oh, freaking big ass toadfish.
Wow, what a fight these Sheepshead put up. Pound for pound, best fighters you're going to run into near shore and inshore, hands down. So I'm already stoked to get back out there and do this again. Hopefully I'll get to do that soon. So I hope you guys are enjoying this catch and cook so far. We're getting to filleting the fish now. And it was a little more difficult to fillet than other inshore fish that I've filleted. And that's just because the skin and the scales. Skin was a bit tougher and thicker, and then the scales were definitely thicker and larger than other fish that I've come to clean up. I just wanted to take it slow with this fillet and make sure I pick up as much meat off of that bone that I can. I can't believe I forgot to weigh this fish. I even had a scale with me on the kayak, and I said I was going to weigh it, but I forgot to. But we do have the over 18 inches measurement, and I would have to guess that that's probably between 3 to 5 pounds at most. That is paper towel that you see there in place of the guts. I had already cleaned this fish when I caught it, vacuum sealed it, and brought it back home with me, and held on to it until my brother could make it down so he could try it as well. So that paper towel is in there for when I was doing the gyutaku printing, and those came out beautiful. I can't wait to share that with you guys, so stay tuned. And then we'll have some other special content following up from that too. This is a really pretty white, firm meat. I wish I had remembered to bleed this fish so that there wouldn't be so much blood in it, but that's in hindsight now. So there was a lot of meat between the ribs, so I didn't want to waste that. I ended up boiling it like you saw earlier, and I made some broth for my dog and just picked the meat out and put it over their food. So we're just coming up over both sides of this fillet with some salt and pepper. My idea was to go really basic with the seasoning so I could have the flavor of the fish really coming through for my first impressions. Even though it's not really fully cooked yet, I'm gonna go ahead and try that little piece right there. That's a good fish right there. Would I put it over flounder? I don't know, it's close.
It's definitely close, but I still think flounder may take the cake on this one. I don't know. You'll have to argue with me in the comments down below. Alright, this is how it comes out. Went very basic so we can actually taste the flavor of the fish here. I know you guys want to see the bite. Let's try a piece of fish with nothing added. That's really good. Really good. Now let's get a bite with everything going on there. A little bit of salad, a little bit of... This is Mediterranean rice.